Hello everyone, good morning. So today's assignment is called Fish Chomp. So here the scenario is, or the condition is, you can see a shark and two little fishes, right? Let's run and see. So these two fishes, if they touch the shark or if the shark eats them, you can see the shark is becoming big. Yes, those little small fishes are quite fast, so we can make the changes. So this is the fish chomp game. So now let's see how it's done. Let's check its code. Yeah. So let's code for our small fishes. Okay. So here comes. We can increase this weight, or this weight is okay. Move. Okay. So here, when the flag is clicked, we want the small fish to point towards the mouse point, because when you click, see, it's going towards the mouse. Wherever the mouse goes, it goes towards the mouse. That's why we have given the code as point towards mouse pointer. Move 10 steps. If the small fish touches the shark, it should get height, because that gives that shows that shark has eaten that fish. Then wait for 1 second and let the small fish pick any random position of X and Y and get shown there. So again it comes in the ocean. Similarly goes for the second fish. So here you can increase the steps as so that there's gap between both the fishes, and the same code goes there. This is how the shark eats and shark keeps on becoming big. So let's see the code for the shark. Here, when the green flag is clicked, we can merge both these things. Correct. So when the green flag is clicked, the first we set the size as a 55%, a smaller shark, because as he eats the fishes, we have to make the scenario as he becomes bigger. So forever glide 1 second and the shark should glide to any position in the backdrop. So the X should be pick random, Y should also be a pick random. And if it touches fish 2, that's the yellow one, switch costume to shark C. Let's see what other. Let's make it shark B and shark A. Okay, let's make two different shark costumes. Change size by 10, increasing in both the conditions. Okay, so let's run. See? So let's do the coding now. Let me show you how to start from the beginning. So now let's begin. Let's change the background. Before that, let's delete the sprite as we want fishes. Take a backdrop. You can take it from the library, underwaters, any one of them. I have chosen this. There are two, so the previous one you can delete it. Yeah. Now take the sprites as the fishes. So animals. Here you get fishes. So let's take this fish 1, and another fish as that was better. Let's go to animals. Yes, and fish 2. So these are the 2 fishes which I want as my sprites, but they are quite big, right? So let's shrink them. And similarly, shrink the other. Now I want a shark, right? So again, go to sprites, animals. Where's my shark? Okay, that's a good shark. This is what my shark looks like. Now let's put the scripts. Let's go for the first fish. Go to events. When green flag is clicked, what we have to do is we have to move the small fishes towards our mouse, and the shark is going randomly throughout the ocean. So motion points towards the mouse pointer for the fish, and let's make him move some steps. Okay, and if it so let's make it forever. It should happen forever. Okay, is it working? Yes, it's working. Good. That's how we wanted it to run. Now, if it touches the shark, so that means sensing, go to sensing, and okay, before that, let's take if condition. Sensing, touching the shark. Take the shark, yes. If it touches shark, make it hide. So go to looks and make it hide. And wait for 1 second. And then make it like show it. Let's go to looks and show. So showing should be done to any random position. So let's take it to go to X should be random. So let's go to the operator, pick random for X, again pick random for Y. So the range of X goes from minus 240 to plus 240, and for Y the range goes from minus 180 to 180. So let's see if it works for it. Yeah, can you see it's hiding and it comes from some other place? Perfect. Similar code for the second fish. So we can copy paste it. So it didn't go. Yeah, here it comes. Let's delete this. Now here it's again the same. So let's see how it works. Yes, it's working good. We can change the motion as increase these steps to 30. Okay. Now let's code for our shark. So let's give show to all the fishes when it starts, when the green flag is clicked. Let's make it show and get invisible. Then now let's code for the shark. Okay, this is not for shark, and this, correct. Now coding for the shark. So when green flag is clicked, go to events. Yes. Set size, because we want it to be smallest when it starts. So go to looks, set size, put it as 50%, the half of it. Then we have to make it glide anywhere. So let's go to motion, glide, and the X should be pick random. Similarly, Y to be also a pick random. And the range, as you all know, minus 240 to 240, and Y minus 180 to 180. So this way your shark will float anywhere in the ocean. But if it touches any one of the fishes, if we have to take two ifs, sensing, touching. So one for the fish 1, and the other for fish 2. So if it touches any one of them, you have to make it increase. First, let's switch the costume. Looks, switch costume, and change by 10. Yes. Change the size by 10. And again, switch costume, change the size by 10. So this happens once. We have to make it forever. Control, forever, and it should be below the set size. Okay, let's run. So it's not seen. You have to show it. Yeah. Let's run. See the way, if you notice, the fish size is increasing as and when it touches the fish. You can see the effect if we increase it by 20. And one of them is so this is how the fish chomp works. So children, you can add the variable as score if it touches, increase the score if it touches yellow, if it touches. So any type of scenarios you can make it to make this game more interesting. So that's it from my end. So this is the fish, small fish code, and the shark code goes like this. So I hope you understood the assignment, and have a good day. Bye.